Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Hi, welcome to English Pronunciation Practice. I am Emma, and today we will practice one clear English sound.
Hi, Emma. I am Nexo. I am ready to listen, repeat, and improve my English pronunciation.
Great energy, Nexo. Today we will focus on the sound ah with simple words and short phrases. First, let me show you the structure of this pronunciation lesson. Part 1 is words. You will hear and repeat useful words with the sound ah. Part 2 is phrases. You will hear the same sound inside short, natural sentences. Go slowly, listen carefully, and repeat with a relaxed mouth.
I like it. Short words first, then real phrases. Let's do it.
Excellent. Let's start with the words.
Listen and repeat out loud. Dog. Dog. Box. Box. Clock. Clock. Rock. Rock. Sock. Sock. Pot. Pot. Mop. Mop. Shop. Shop. Watch. Watch. Lock. Lock. Car. Car. Star. Star. Park. Park. Barn. Barn. Farm. Farm. Arm. Arm. Jar. Jar. Shark. Shark. Phrases.
Good job. You completed the words. It is very important to listen to as much English as possible.
Nice. Now I want to hear the sound inside real phrases.
Exactly. The goal of phrases is to listen carefully to short sentences and get used to the sounds of English.
Dog. Dog. The dog is big. The dog is big. Box. Box. The box is red. The box is red. Clock. Clock. I see a clock. I see a clock. Rock. Rock. The rock is gray. The rock is gray. Sock. sock. One sock is blue. One sock is blue. Pot. Pot. The pot is hot. The pot is hot. Mop. Mop. The mop is wet. The mop is wet. Shop. Shop. The shop is open. The shop is open. Watch. Watch. The watch is black. The watch is black. Lock. Lock. The lock is gold. The lock is gold. Car. Car. The car is fast. The car is fast. Star. Star. A star is bright. A star is bright. Park. Park. The park is quiet. The park is quiet. Barn. Barn. The barn is old. The barn is old. Farm. Farm. The farm is large. The farm is large. Arm. Arm. My arm is strong. My arm is strong. Jar. Jar. The jar is full. The jar is full. Shark. Shark. A shark is near. A shark is near.
Great work! You finished this pronunciation lesson, and you practiced the sound ah very well.
Yes. I feel more confident now. I will keep listening and repeating.
Wonderful, Nexo. See you in the next class.